Oh, look at you. You got one car ahead. Oh, you must be so proud as I'm making fun of you and missing second. What's up? When gears snore. And I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. I'm out here, me and Ray. We're going to the market. Then I don't know. Maybe we'll go by, I was gonna say under the GW Bridge, but it's nice. I have a feeling that's gonna be packed today. Don't you do it, butt pirate. Oh my goodness, there was a big pothole there. Beautiful day, just hit the 60s. Look at the view, huh? 9W never disappoints. But the market, boy. So much spandex. So many spandex Spartans out there fighting that war. The war on the world, not seeing enough men bent over on 10 speeds. Did you know that 1 in 10 men suffer from BD? Bicycle dysfunction? That's right. Right now there is a man at home not wearing spandex, not holding up traffic, bent over in a position that can best be described as the American taxpayer. But did you know you can help? You can help Ed or Tony or Tic Tac get a 10 speed and get some spandex and put their fanny out in front of you. That's right, you. For just 99 cents a day, you can help them ride. Ride away. Ride away, little birdie. Chirp, chirp. Better get some beer in me to calm me down. Getting out of hand, friends. Out of friggin' control. If you like my videos, if you'd be kind enough to give the thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. What can Brown do for me? Well, not run me down. Thanks, buddy. I just purchased 2 Reinhardt mufflers today. They're going in 2 weeks. I was going to get the Chromeworks Warhammers. They got back ordered. I'm like, oh crap. And then they had Tab there. I'm like, I don't want Tab. It's too loud. He's like, oh, we carry these Reinhardts. I was like, sold. Sold. Give me the date. Tell me when to show up and bring my wallet. Sold. Getting some grips too. And then another month or so I'll do the bars. I didn't realize it was going to be that much. Here I come to hold up traffic with my spandex. Oh my God, make it go away. You will see a lot of trips to the 9W market because we all like it. Sorry, friends. Who knows? Maybe I'll put it in sport mode. Oh, here we go. Be cool, guys. You don't want them to hear us talking about them. Riding my bike and holding my friend's butt. There's nothing better in the world but men's tushy. t-shirt. Living the dream. Spreading the freedom, brother. Brother. Just entered Palisades, New York. Home of the Palisades Parkway. Interstate, that is. There is a, so I'm pretty sure this will drop after that. There's a filling station here as well as the one in Haverstraw. Not Haverstraw. Straw. Couple bikes here. She's a nice bike, right?
I love those bikes.
Yeah. Oh, look at me. I drive a Tesla and I have a gold watch. I'm better than you. I'm better than you. Sport mode, huh? Just left the market from the ride. That was all over the place. Very happy to be out and about today, friends. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I'm Gears of Snore. And I hope you'll come back next week and watch a video or two. Oh, look at me. I will go slowly.